Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic URL mapping. Python Django framework will follow MVC architecture. The MVC will contains model, view, controller. How the form and how the user request it is going to be from one place to another place, like model, view, controller. What is the where the controller means the logic is behind the code which is implemented. You will see more details in this URL mapping, how it is routing from source to destination based on the user request. Watch the video.
Hi, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to teach you about URL mapping on Django framework project. Earlier session, we have created views what to be displayed in the client place, the page assume it. Likewise, now we are going to mapping URLs like pages, forms, how to map from the package and the internal app is there. From there to map to the main URL page of the application project. Now we will see one by one here. For the purpose we are going to using this, the packages, we have to go to main our app is there, like products app is there. Go to right click on the products. Here you have to choose new and click Python file. And here you can name the convention as the name of URLs. URLs is very important. The Python file you need to select here and hit enter. The naming convention, the Django framework will be strictly follows. If it is in a capital or small or spaces, if it is there any, it may throw straight away an error and it won't recognize what you are going to be saying and inside the file. All right. And now see here what I want to say here. Now we have to implement here in a URL what is the URLs are available within our products app. Let's start this. For this you need to write URL patterns, URL patterns, URL patterns. This is a very much pretty important to follow this. And braces, these are the braces where you have to write. And now we have to take in a path to identify. For this path, what we need to do is, for this path, we need to import from the Django libraries, like the Django libraries of URL module is available from Django dot URLs import path. Import path module is there where we can straight away we can import it. All right, where we want to give the inputs as an like a views and all, where we have an implemented and a view here, and that particular view also to be import here and to be displayed. Like to importing that view is from space dot like a point, it's an indicates as a local directory, and import it is where it is the views, name of the module. All right, the name of the module I am going to import it here, and specifying the path here, that is an braces, it will start and empty straight away the index page only I'm going to writing here. And views dot, what is the method name I'm going to calling here, that index method, name of the index is sufficient. What is the method? Under views we have implemented this method. This method, the URL I am preparing for here na URL pattern path that equal to empty space here, and views dot index. Under the views module there is an index method I am calling. Simply if the user hit any enter like a page of products, it will be redirected by reading for this, and it will be routed to here the request, and what it will be returns the value hello world. Until now we have a prepared URLs, and a major file is there for our project. Now see here, this is the PyShop is there. Under the URLs, this is the project of our Django framework project. Now here we want to map this particular app URL. All right. Now see, we have to go to open. There is an URL name is in a file is there. No. Yes. The PyShop. There is an URL is there. urls.py. Open this and find out URL patterns where it is. Here it is showing here only URL patterns. Now the admin is here. It is by defaultly it is there. Why? Django framework will install behalf of you by defaultly admin module. We'll see in the next sessions what is admin module and how it will be used. So ready-madely plug and play we can use it by activating it, and we can use plug and play. And here I'm writing my products URLs also I'm involving and invoking here in the main project. Now how it is simple? It's very simple. You see here path of my package name is products. Where is the products? This is the products. I have to write here in the single quotes and yes slash. If I hit the products there, it will be recognized URLs as well. And after this, what I want to write is include method. Include method. It's not coming here. It's an include method. So I need to import that particular include also. Now expand this Django URLs import path as well as include. Now see here, it will comes here now. Include with the arguments, right? Under the include, what I want to include here? Here simply products, my package name dot URLs I am going to include. RODUCTS include products dot URLs, right? That is only something is showing error messages over here. Yes, there is no distinguish this comma. Include products dot URL. All right, this is the products is my package name. Under the package there is a module called URLs. It is I have mentioned here in the project file. This is the URL file. This is one. In this I'm including under the products. Under the products I'm including this is the product.url path, where here I have implemented a URL pattern of view of the index page. This views I am importing here. What I have mentioned in the views, you see here. Under the views, just the response of hello world only I have prepared here. And let's check this. Server is running. If the server is not running, you start it. Python manage py space run. So hit enter. You check it. Sometimes if you are running unconditional information with the local environment, server may stops. Alright, now the server is running. And open the browser, and now here you have to hit products and hit enter. The request of index is clear, and the products HTTP 404 means it's not unconditional. Yeah, see here it's taken one more space. One more space, the interpreter is not accepting. See, that is the a little bit of small gaps you have to be while practicing, then only you will understand what it is. Now you go to the browser and refresh the products here, and you will get an hello world. Yeah, save this and see now the message is here, hello world, right? If you have changed anything here, the message of written on index of views, like here hello world called it is in the products. You can also write the products here, products, and save it. And yeah, it directly is in you refresh the page. This is see the products is coming. The page, that is the basic ideology how to implement pages, how in using URL mapping. One more exercise I'm going to give you. The requirement is for here it's in the products I have seen. I think it's in a new something, the keyword new. If I want to enter, what are the new products are going to be running in this particular page I want to display. How it can be. Assume it, think about it, and how to write for that page and URL and all. Assume that, and you can specify the requirement. Yeah, I'll show you how it would be. Simply in views, what I'm going to write here is taking one more method. It's a definition of the function. It's a keyword I'm using as new and of request. The request is new method I'm mentioning over here, and return HTTP HTTP response of yes words. You can say that products. I'm simply this information in the sense, if I call this page as beautification and beautified the page, that page will be displayed there. There is no doubt at all. All right. Under the views, once it is completed, what we need to do is we have a like a products app is there. Under the product app, there is a URLs. We need to mention this method. That's it. That is then it's over. Now onwards, you need not to go for this settings page, this URL page and all. This is the completely the Python this products app with the URLs file we have included here. At one time job only that we need to. If any page is adding in the app, you have to add here, and you can directly call to the main web browser. Now see, under the URLs we need to add one more. This is a path of path. The keyword is it's a new. The request is coming with the new space here. Under the views, the method what we have implemented as an it's a views dot new. Now see here under the views, it's a new method. See, this is the new method. Is it visible to you? This one. All right. Now straight away you go to browser and now hit enter. It will comes as in a products. I'll show you why it's coming. The request is also taken care here. Request HTTP response. That's products. Save it and let me check this is running. Yes, it's running. Now I'll hit the enter once again. Yes, something. The interpreter is taking some time to running over here. Why I don't know. See, this is the new page. There's nothing change. What you have to add for this page, under the views of your app, you have to implement one more method called something, whatever it, and you have to specify under the products there is an URL pattern path new views.new. That's it. That is a very simple task. You can finish it out by URL mapping concept. N number of URLs you can add and view with the apps. Any app you are going to be integrating with this main, you have to under the app you have to use these two lines too. Sufficient to use for this URL package with the module of path. Hope you better understand. In the upcoming next session, we will see how we need to prepare for models for our e-commerce application.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.